Hey guys, welcome back. Learning English is like building a house. You need strong bricks, and those bricks are words and sounds. In this video, we will train our ears to recognize English more clearly and collect some useful vocabulary along the way. Remember, mistakes are normal. They mean you're learning. Stay patient, stay curious, and repeat as much as you can. Let's jump right into the practice now. I have a short holiday coming soon. I need to plan how to use my time well. I want to enjoy every moment. Without a plan, I might feel lost and waste my days. That would bring me pressure instead of joy. So, the first thing I need is a simple itinerary. My goal is to feel happy and relaxed after the holiday. I think about many options. A trip to the beach in Vung Tau seems very nice. I imagine the sun and the sea. Another idea is to go to the mountains in Dalat for cool weather. I must evaluate which destination is better for me. I want to choose a place that is fun and also easy on my budget. A short holiday is a great chance to relax and recharge. I want to break away from my normal, boring routine. The most important thing is to return home feeling refreshed. For a beach trip, I think about the lively atmosphere. I can swim in the sea, I can walk on the sand, and look for small crabs. Having a small party with friends on the beach at night sounds wonderful. I can also visit a local fishing village to see the daily life there. This can make the trip more interesting and memorable. It is good to try new things. I finally choose the beach. Vung Tau is the destination. The idea of a beach escape is very appealing. My itinerary is simple. On the first day, I go to the beach early. The atmosphere is lively and fun. The sun is warm. After swimming, I feel refreshed. Later, I walk to the rocks near the lighthouse. I see children trying to find seafood there. It is a memorable sight. In the evening, we have a small party on the beach with grilled fish. The night is cool, the sound of the waves is peaceful. I feel very happy. This is a great way to enjoy the holiday without any pressure. The next morning, I visit a fishing village. I want to see the fishermen work. It is an amazing sight. Their boats are full of fish. The smell of the sea is strong but nice. I see how they sort the fish. It is hard work. I buy some very fresh seafood from them directly. The price is reasonable. The people are very friendly and show great hospitality. This experience helps me understand the local culture better. My trip is not just about relaxing but also about learning. It is very interesting. Dalat is another great destination. The cool weather is very appealing. It is a perfect escape from the hot city. The main point of this trip is to enjoy nature. My itinerary is to explore. I rent a motorbike. Driving through the quiet pine forests is very peaceful. The mountain roads have beautiful views. Every turn shows a new landscape. It feels great to reach the top of a hill. I feel a sense of achievement. The air is fresh and clean. It is very different from the city. One of the best activities is cloud hunting. We wake up very early. It is dark and chilly. We wait for the sun to rise. We feel excited. Then, a sea of white clouds moves over the hills. It looks magical and like a dream. It is a very special moment. After that, we eat a warm bowl of soup for breakfast. The food in Dalat has a unique taste. This trip helps me recharge my energy. I forget all my boring daily worries. I feel calm and happy. You do not always need to travel far. You can enjoy your holiday right in the city. There are many fun places to go. You can spend a day at a big mall. You can watch a movie, shop for new clothes, and eat good food. It is an easy way to have fun. For more excitement, you can go to a water park. The games and slides are very thrilling. Everyone screams and laughs. It is a good way to forget your routine. These activities are easy to plan. They do not cost too much money. Another option is to go back to your hometown. This is a very underrated trip. There is no need for a strict itinerary. The goal is to relax with your family. The atmosphere at home is warm and loving. Eating home-cooked meals is the best part. The food is full of love and memories. Evenings are for talking and sharing stories. This trip costs very little, but makes you very happy. When you return to the city, your family gives you many gifts. Fresh food from the garden, homemade cakes. These gifts are a warm memory of home. In the end, each type of holiday is good in its own way. A beach trip is lively. A mountain trip is peaceful. City fun is easy. A trip home is full of love. The key is to know what you need. Do you need to be active or to rest? The benefit of a holiday is to return feeling refreshed and happy. For your first short holiday, keep it simple. Do not put pressure on yourself. Choose one destination or activity you like. A trip to Dalat or Vung Tau is a good choice. The cost can be reasonable. The most important thing is to start. Take a break. You will feel better. You will create memorable experiences that make your life richer. So, think about your options and choose one. Your short holiday is waiting for you. Sometimes you may doubt yourself, but do not forget, you are already improving. Language learning requires persistence, even on the days when your motivation feels low. If you keep going with the right method, you will eventually see real results. And remember, results do not always come in big steps. Often they appear in small victories. Finishing one page, understanding one new phrase, or practicing while you wash your face, these are all valuable. Be kind to yourself, because every small effort is a contribution to your future self. Learning is never wasted. It always builds something inside you. Thank you for joining me today. Keep up the practice, and see you again in the next episode.